I'm gonna start it off excellently for you. We didn't even put up a fight. No, I forgot how you
Didn't even make
a sound.
Found a way to let you in.
Yeah.
But I never really had a doubt.
A doubt. Standing in the light of
your halo.
Ooh, wait, I'm just so. Look at brother gun.
Why your brother tell us that I'm on the way, fella?
Alright, so welcome to another The Road with Dutty. Now, this has been a while since we do a The Road with Dutty. So, can you believe it? About 4:30 right now, and I am heading to go and meet young Miss Lovely politician by the name of Krystal Tomlinson. So, Krystal Tomlinson is supposed to be somewhere up there. So, I train, so I'm gonna run in for our training and see if I can, try like a thing or two. So, yeah, man, keep back, relax, and enjoy. It is a brand new The Road with Dutty season. No, we never did do this in a season, but yeah, let's go. Yes, thank you. Jesus Christ.
How are you?
Really, I don't like wake up early. But we actually plan out so we now look at white and black.
Yeah, we matchish.
We now look at white and black and beer thing. So it's a brand new The Road with Dutty. I'll be here spending the day with Krystal Tomlinson, getting to see what our day is like, how hectic it is. But if the start is to be anything, I really don't think so I can manage for the rest of the day.
That's energized,
So we finish. We do a little workout.
Right.
Yeah, let's try a little thing.
Yes.
Okay. So trainer, alright, let's go, Krystal. Let's go. Come on, to the show. Starting with B.
Boy.
Breadfruit.
Box cover.
Beenie.
I got 10 points. Oh!
Let's get ready to rumble!
I never really get the summer body when we do one for 2019, so I say, yo.
I'm so happy I saw you started.
Yeah.
How long have you been in the gym now?
Been so long.
Sing it! I've always been like income. I start off and as soon as I see potential, I stop.
Why?
I mean, no, it's something about me.
Performance anxiety?
Yeah, a little bit of that, but if I'm scared of like the new person when you have to become like you just itching on the party.
Yeah.
Because myself always known to be like the kind of chubby, kind of awkward. When myself no be the person who will actually have the body with them want. It's scary. I don't know me that hype when me have abs.
Oh, you don't trust your hype?
I don't trust the
You don't know
hype.
if you're gonna be like a Khalid where you stay humble.
Oh, so, Jesus Christ. So, hey, what's your name, sir? Remember your name? Joel Alexander, big up yourself. I thought I was just here to kind of, know.
No, we don't respect it.
Okay, so this is the farm. Legs down.
There you go.
And I have to lift light because my arms respond very quickly to a workout.
Oh.
So if I'm not working out, if I just lift up Zia, put her down, you think I went to the gym. If you
Oh,
took like a photo like this. So.
I said it's a weird they have some part of your body where just like them just work different.
Yeah.
Just like, yeah man,
I
that's
wish
your
that was
strength.
the case with like my butt. So like if I just bend down for something, I got up
Like
and I was
bam,
like, oh.
Serena.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt.
Wait, what? No. Krystal, I'm gonna tell me I did the day with you. I'm like, Jesus.
You mean you're gonna come and watch the day?
Yeah, I thought I was just going to stay there and just like supervise. Oh, like the Lion King something.
Simba, okay.
Wakayo, something. No, different song there.
He just easy put the music underneath this one.
Oh, yeah. Lift the weights. Everybody, lift the weights.
Alright.
Tony Talk, smell like truck.
Jesus.
What is so?
I'm proud of Barry for actually doing it.
But I'm still going to carry these shoes now.
No, sir. I just want fat and dirt. Sorry. Whew. That's probably not words to say around you. Coach Joel, but why? sometimes when I go through them, something I start picture myself on like my 600 pound life. I don't wonder if you're really that bad. You just get pushed around in a wheelchair. Cause this not easy, man. Jesus.
Scotland. Catch some sport shot, please. Running.
Watched Hughes, third from left. Not a bad start from Hughes, really good start there from Beenie in 4. He's going to take some catching. Darnell Hughes has got some work to do. I don't think he's going to get there, or is he? No! Beenie takes it. Well, there's an upset. 9-9-3. Brilliant run from the South African. And that is a season's best if it's confirmed for Beenie. And the wind plus 0.5. And I thought Darnell Hughes looked in unbeatable form in his heat. But Beenie won the other heat.
Nobody knows now. The two little laps. I didn't see the second one a while ago, but I didn't run faster than Krystal.
And he kept up. He kept up.
Yeah, so the third one, it would you know,
Well,
with
let's
a nipper at the line. So probably.
Try?
No, we never. We never really want to set up myself, so I can't make all of the big track there and then she come give me donkey lens. Yo, Shelly at first has approved her, you know, has she have good form. You don't need no more stamp for approval than that. Do yourself, Joel. You're wicked. Okay.
Blessings.
Krystal now, she normally, between like when she walk, we can just shut her a little bit. Turn your back so she don't really hear what you're saying. She normally she normally follow instructions.
Oh yes, we don't talk over here.
Oh, okay, so she never really come here and say, yo, she not gonna do the 100 push up them, she not gonna do it just.
Should have to just drive out if somebody.
Oh, okay, so you make sure it's.
Over here,
Oh, okay.
So if you come and feel like say, oh, what? Oh, I don't feel like doing 100 today, and I'm just gonna do 5. I say, yeah, I can do 5.
She can't, yeah. That never tolerate you.
No.
Put her under government like our politics, Sheena.
You not thought you were going to come after the interview? Good job. You're really here for the ride.
Yes.
So he's
I'm
my...
some picture right as the third.
I know. I was putting on my lashes. When you caught me here, I was like, who is that? Hi, Renard. So I'm on a...
So now we're at the second stop for the day is a CVM TV interview.
Yes.
CVM at Sunrise. You know what you're talking about?
I just found out. So it's actually an interview about me. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing interviews about. It could be about the PNP, it could be about the PNPYO, it could be about something that I said, it could be about something that somebody said about me.
Yeah, well,
so,
okay.
We just kind of trust the Lord.
I think you don't know, say you're a good enough talker where you can just like talk about
yes,
anything.
can't you not tell a lie? I don't need no preparation.
Talk about Bulla.
About what?
Bulla.
Oh, ginger Bulla is my favorite, but holy Bulla with banana. Yeah.
Yard slippers.
You have to make that one. Yard slippers, so I love push toe. You see the thong ones where go up?
Yeah.
I don't like it. I'm at your white to my
Mom, I like him. I like the little skitty, little flip.
No, my foot sweaty. So
Oh, okay.
I'm pop it out.
Oh, say you used to like powder. You wear powder and them stuff.
No, I can't do them. Hi, morning.
Hi, morning.
So I like push toe.
So me and tell us so she can just talk about any random topic. Any random topic. Call it flushing etiquette.
Oh, hack. Ladies, if you're in a public space and you're doing number 2, don't wait until you're completely finished to flush. Now, this is a real bit of advice.
Wait, what?
Yeah, don't wait until you finish. So I learned this when I was at UA, and because we were boarding on dorm, so it's like 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10 stalls. So I had a friend that came like, how is it that when you go and use the bathroom, nobody knows that you're doing a number 2? And she says, Krystal, here's the trick. As it drops off, flush. Don't wait.
So you out there, anytime if you do one girl and you're the toilet just you know the only thing I know about is the little freshener. The little freshener, them don't want to pour out, them don't want to squeeze out the whole of the air freshener. For go shh. So them just turn on some music in the bathroom and do a little shh.
Many classmates. I tell people all the time, oh my God,
It's
I never expect that
four
from her.
different
I'm like,
youth
you
group.
did not go to high school with her. They're like, oh my God, you know, I knew her as a so and so. I'm like, yeah, she's that. And
many other things.
And a singer.
You were a dancer too?
I did, like clash dancing too.
Clash dancing, like every contest.
Like meet me lunchtime. I think I can dance called lunch.
Clash dancing. Like Mega Killer on the dance floor, like in the schoolyard.
So there were like two rival dance groups. My man was a fourth form group and then there was a fifth form group.
So which high, okay, first form, where were you?
I was in Kingston, then it was Merle Grove High School. I was there for first and second form.
Alright.
And then third form was Alpha Academy and then we moved to Manchester for fourth and
For
fifth.
exam time.
And then sixth form I did at the Carteret College, still in Manchester.
Okay.
This is what we see in the conversation.
Oh, we're just going through my high school life.
Yeah.
Wait, that's so much your friends school they go?
I did.
I remember hearing she went to Alpha.
So
at
you
that
get to be
point
a part of
in time.
what the different alma mater and
Just
stuff,
saying I
yeah.
have 4 different year groups. Hi, morning, love. 4 different year groups. When I got to UWI, the amount of people I knew in first year. So when I ran for Social Rep, I won.
Oh yeah. But
Like,
here's somebody.
oh, we know you from Merle Group. I know you from Alpha. Oh, both of parents, Manchester.
But the ear said, like, I think you just said something, on speech or something they talk one time, and it's like you say, you never did settled into like the what you call it, the leadership Krystal until later on in life. So like in high school, it just did kind of just regular.
So like Angel can tell you, she was a student leader.
Come on, I always feel say so. I do think so. You start off like this from like all 6th grade,
Lies.
and then like them people that when them start from primary school, you know, so them all just.
Student council in Form 1.
No.
So she used to get trouble.
No, let me tell you. What it was that Krystal led in different ways. So, like in theatre arts, there was like no compare.
Oh,
just
okay.
with her style.
So them have the one to house for living. Okay.
Manchester, no. We do
This color I want to hear you.
That's something.
like we learned the rudiments.
When
No,
we
but
hear,
she was
okay.
still the group leader in those
So she was extraordinary
captain for
there.
sports
And
day.
then dancing, she clashed the people them and win. So she was still leading. It's just that she didn't go into governance.
Oh,
in terms of
yeah,
leadership
yeah,
and
yeah,
governance until but it wasn't a surprise.
I mean, surprise everybody. So Krystal, at them time, when you think so Krystal would have probably end up like, have like local production TV, show or plays and stuff.
Yeah, she always did. So she was always bright. She always did her schoolwork. So there wasn't anywhere that we say, oh, she could have done that or she would have done that because she didn't do her bookwork. But nothing surprised me. Like, oh my God, how she's, and I'm like.
But Angela was really close to me. So as I told you, she was a student leader at the time. Is one of the few student leaders who was just like what we call article. So even if you're somebody that she would have to write you for something or report you somewhere.
Because that's both a prefect and a student council.
You never feel no way. You know, Angela.
Wait, another one of the people with the one bag of budget right here.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah.
Pin them line off and stuff.
And Krystal was the person who was dancing and his class guy friend.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but I wasn't, as she said, I wasn't one of the prefect because I did theatre arts too. So I was like,
This cannot take place at this time.
Yeah.
But after school, you remember we used to have fete after school on Fridays?
Yes.
Oh, fake days, Jesus.
That, yeah.
It's not cool
She was
enough.
a good prefect. She was one of them nice prefect. They're like, if Angela tell us you get trouble, you have shame.
Yeah, I know.
You're shame.
I was a prefect when I think somebody
Yeah,
got
you know
because
she
me
can't
used to
lie.
beat the system. I used to have a preferential treatment for like my farm class. I'm in charge of. So usually if them chew bubblegum and stuff, me I'd be like, Mr. Come turn him.
Because I was
a
had you
prefect.
as a troublemaker.
No.
My apologies.
But I was well behaved,
So what I learned when I was at UA actually when we did or orientation in hall now because I'm a tailor, right? My hall name on Taylor Hall is not was is present tense condom.
Wait, what?
NDOM?
CONDOM. And when I got the name, forgive me, I was very excited. You can't be on the hall without a name.
So you take any name?
Yeah, man. Like I remember calling my block rep and I was going, "You have a name for me yet?" She said, "No, we're working on it though." I seriously, yeah, man. Because when you don't have a name, you stand out for all the wrong reasons. Like, what's wrong with you? Why is everybody calling you Krystal? No, nude is fine. So I found out though that a name like that, when you say it in hall or when you say it on campus, nobody thinks about the actual rubber latex thing. They think about me and what I did, and I think that's what's great about what you did with your name, Duttyberry. I don't know if the girl still remembers why your name is Duttyberry, but you have made it into what you want it to mean.
Yeah.
So own it, like whatever it is. If it's a good name, it's a bad name. Own it and redefine it.
Okay. So, we'll finish the CVM TV interview now. Now, what you after to know?
So right now I have a strategic conference call, which you can't hear. It's like our morning political strategy meeting.
Oh, you sit down and discuss and point
yeah,
of
like we look at the news and we say what's going on in Jamaica, what out there is true, what out there is false, how can we reshape and reframe.
I feel like I want to be a fly on the wall in the conversation.
No man, I
there,
can't
like,
hear, right? I can't hear. So we go deep into, okay, I'm making it some like more stealth than it is. It's not. But it's a conference call that I'm doing with several leaders in the PNP.
And it's just something you do like every day or like once a week?
Every single morning at the same time every morning. So it's part of the routine. So once we close off that conference call, we'll link up again.
So it's a link up around midday?
Somewhere around midday, yeah.
Yeah,
so
and figure out what
other
I do.
little meetings done that are really going to be boring for your viewers. Like,
no, it's alright because me I go now while you at work. I think me I go try to go back to my yard for go take a little sleep. Like a nice hour sleep or so. And then I'll meet you back.
And you can rest up.
Yeah, you do the work. You do the work. You know, politics here, so you do the work on my behalf.
So I'll link up back with you around lunchtime. And we're having vegan for lunch. I just prepare, man.
Wait, what?
Yeah, nobody eat the chicken.
What do you mean vegan? No, yeah, work. No, because I do the little video, Krystal, and say, I want to lose a little something they know.
Well, work on your cut.
You know how long me avoid this vegan thing now, and you come trap me in it.
But it's nice, the food
you trap me into a workout. Krystal, you promise me say the food will go good.
It's nice.
Krystal.
It's what I eat. Good morning. It's what I eat. And
Krystal.
It's nice. I promise you.
You have the vegan act still?
I promise you.
But this is something online, but one
No.
Alright. I'm not gonna trust your word. I'm trusting it.
Dan, do you know where exactly the fair is happening?
I went call the lady.
Okay, and also check with Garrett to let you know that we're on the way up in case anybody wants.
Yes, your bumper.
No man, no, I just need to let you know we're on the way. Yeah. Alright, thank you.
So I find it very funny that there's somebody called Bumper.
Listen! And she's a worker! So what you say, you know what she
Okay. Question, Krystal. Question. Can you make the scoopsy?
Oh yes!
Oh, Jesus Christ! Because if you couldn't do it, it's not like I'm gonna lose the ratings. Me, I said, boy.
I learned the scripts when I was 9.
Yeah, man, it's a science. Yeah, man, this is like a verified.
Me never stop gossip until we figure out like how it works.
We do it. Don't just use a mouth and make the sound.
Can you know the clothes that wash and let it hear scripts? Like
it's not convincing. It's not really a clean. If me not hear scripts.
Play on the clothes.
I feel like right now, because somebody out and get a bad banana.
And test my scripts.
And see if they can script.
Yeah.
If wash my sheet, and my sheet up nice and clean.
Boy. So there you know, I try to figure. I feel like when you showed me, I mean, like I'm about to go check out somebody. Somebody. I feel like.
So if I walk the whole of this, go down and come up. So the house is actually down here. So you make like, it's probably like 2 turns before you get down there to the house. But air fresh, nice, quiet, and I've grown to really love.
And that's so nice when you step outside of the business, like in a town, and you step out to some of them area, you can just relax, meditate.
The dog, them know say somebody up here, you know, you think them easy?
I man, see the hey, hold me on, you know, cause
Uncle Andrew! It's Krystal! I'm going to a health fair in Lawrence Tavern. Show up at the shop? Okay. Alright. Bye!
Bye! That's great. So Krystal just left after me there. I struggle for golf.
Careful. This is exercise.
No, Chris.
Where the activity is happening is actually closer to the Golden Spring end than this end.
Oh, okay.
So if we were to continue this way, we'd have to go way up Golden Hill.
I know, we're gonna straight me and pretend because I know them area.
So it's easier to just go down there.
Okay.
So yeah, I enjoyed my days there. So the yard full. Yeah. You know, in communities like these, now you have large families.
Shouted, me know say a surgery, you know, your uncle, I'm saying, Jesus Christ.
I can't believe like people know me as a country girl. Like in my head, even though I'm in St. Andrew, we really grew up like a country.
Hello?
Where is Lady Bumper? You can call her. Tell her we're at the gas station.
It's so weird. So they're looking for a lady called Bumper.
So of course we're looking at all bumpers.
Exactly. So now Krystal set up my brain now. I'm literally just looking for the Bumper.
I'm not seeing her. I hope I didn't pass her.
Yeah, I feel old, you know, like look at them, look how I used to be one of them people in a school uniform. I come from school now, I know.
Look
I am
same
just
way.
yeah.
And seriously, you're active, you know.
I know I'm just one of the adults that I go about life now.
Life was so simple then. Like at that age, I thought I just needed a Barbie watch to be had. Like that was all I needed. If I had the Barbie watch, I was just the shiznit.
If you're gonna go back to a particular age, in you know, as a child, like what age you don't want to go back to, like that age there?
9.
Really, 9?
9.
Why?
I'm telling you why 9. There was this girl at my prep school who used to bully me.
Oh.
I'm afraid. I said, till. She used to tell me, say, either she or some member of her family come from Tivoli.
Yeah.
No, mind you, we never know what that mean, right? But the way she said it, me could have tell her something serious.
Yeah.
And everybody afraid of her. I know the girl used to, like, if me in the line, and she want to come in the line, she skip me. And you can't do nothing. Like, if you're there at the front and you're just before her, she'll come to take the
other people, they fear her, like, other people, they know, say, okay,
nobody not encourage you to be brave and stand up for yourself. When they see her come, just
move out her way, yeah.
I know, so the girl made me afraid, so till one day, I can't remember what it was that she did, but I was right, you know, and she was wrong. And the girl made me doubt myself to the point I didn't even speak up for me.
Scotland gang used to back.
Okay.
Did you see Bumper? Because she would travel with Danishka. Dan, you see Bumper? Continue. Oh, she looked further down. Yeah, like I remember, like just to think about it, I remember how scared I was as a child.
Yeah.
And I just, what God? And I just didn't speak up for myself. I didn't allow her to bully me. Where the dance I keep now? Where the dance I keep? You don't promise me dance? Okay. Dan, what you saying? She further down this side? Yeah. Hi! Pull up to my bumper, baby. She traveling with Dan. You traveling with Danishka here?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay.
But out yesterday, stop at Golden Springs.
Okay.
That is a stronghold.
Yeah, man, I know.
Yes, right here, so is a stronghold. So, health fair finish.
No! What?
Yes, I just spoke with a teacher up there.
Okay. So the place empty, done, finish. Okay. Alright, let me
what
just.
you going to do?
No.
Walk out!
Oh yeah, just that talk to her a while ago.
How are you? Hi. I'm Krystal Tomlinson, PNP caretaker for West Rural St. Andrew. Working to become your next MP. Good to meet you. Trust me. Good to meet you. I tried the sewing thing and I realized I don't have like the judgment for it. So I like when people do it as a profession because I can pretend it's me behind the sewing machine. But I'm still working. Like I can't make things like these. Where's one stitch go down on the piece of fabric.
Okay.
But it's very good to meet you. What's your name? Norma Jones. And you not just work here, you live in the constituency,
yes,
right?
I live in here.
What would you say is the biggest issue for you in terms of development and opportunities here?
Like where I live, like the roads need improvement.
What's you say? Mr. Reed. Mr. Reed, that's my mother's last name. How are you?
I'm good. You're from Manchester?
I am, but before I was from Manchester, I was from 110, right down the road.
Okay, that's sir.
Yeah. So I don't know if you know my grandparents or my father.
Okay, so you is who, man?
I'm Krystal Tomlinson.
Yeah.
I'm the PNP caretaker for West Rural St. Andrew. So working to become the next member of parliament.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Your party.
And which side of the aisle you are on, ma'am?
Well, from you look at me, you know I'm a socialist. I'm a
okay.
PNP.
See it also.
Thank you, Mr. Reed. How are you?
See it also.
You see it?
You see it also.
I'm sitting there walking in. Alright, Mama. Bone and compound.
Alright, so Krystal inside, so I talk to some people in a constituency.
What is this?
I mean, really, yesterday up and down talking thing, them to do it one time already with Lisa Anna. You know, me up here right now, people are probably thinking of me a PNP. I don't belong to no party, I do not belong to no party. But I always like forget to see where the journey like on the road like and actually like if I talk to Jamaicans, I think say for nothing, and that would I probably like about the whole entire process. So me I wait for Krystal finish now. Hopefully me can find one like a box food place, cause every time I'm there outside of town, but no so them place here, I always have one nice like a box food spot where shell down the food. So me gonna do that and then see what I do next and yeah, keep watching it, The Road with Dutty.
We can't bother.
This is the gully, man.
This was the river, so we used to be afraid of drowning. If anybody doesn't believe in global warming and climate change, this river is the evidence. No water. Hey!
What's up, Krystal?
Walk on.
Get a 50.
No, you're not gonna do me that. Oh, you do me that.
I think there are Jamaican people that there's a certain smile where you know you just know say
hi. How are you?
Oh, bless.
What Kerry? He's gone. So this is hello.
Willing to help any agency with their investigations if required.
This was a little lane.
Oh yeah man, Jesus Christ, yeah man, this me I feel the ruralness.
This is my grandma's house. So as I say, grandma migrate, so we're going to come back now and fix it up. But zinc fence.
Yeah. It's a similar type of house my grandmother they have done over Spanish Town.
Guava tree, we couldn't hungry. There was a chocolate tree here, but we had to cut it down. It was growing on the line. So we used to climb the chocolate tree and pick chocolate. So it's vacant now, but we'll come back and fix it up.
I'm sure one bag of memories and all kind of things over there.
Oh yes. Yes.
You're a tomboy?
I don't know. Like even that concept is so foreign to me. Growing up, it was a lot of boys I grew up with, so I just had to do what they were doing.
Yeah.
But I don't think I was a tomboy. Like I still like my dresses and my shoes.
But see, as a girl, where like you seem like you're more like you know like your article them where the youth them would have your own.
Yeah.
And like reason with things, so then probably would reason with other girl them.
Exactly.
Both. Yeah.
So I can hang.
Yeah.
I still want to wear my the children version of spike heel.
Oh.
I have to wear my spike heel when I go into church.
Yeah.
But I can hang with the boys.
Yeah, so I did the whole burning questions thing now. So
my face is so shy. But burn me.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright, so why you see him to have to respond to some of the trolls online or people who constantly come at you?
If I feel like they're telling a lie and they're telling it very often enough, because that's how propaganda works. You tell a lie and you tell it loud enough and often enough, eventually people believe. So if I see them tell a lie and nobody pays my mind, them tell a lie and then there's a news story on it. Them tell a lie and there's a news story, a blog post and a vlog. So it's like, okay, let's clarify, because if we say nothing and just play that silent card because I'm just too mature and I don't answer these stories, then it ends up that other people who are unrelated to the situation, so for example, the kids would go online and see something and then they're confused because they're like, what's that? Is that true? Like they're seeing it so many places, and after a while they start to wonder if it's for real because nobody has said anything. I have a mom. Yeah. I have aunts, I have uncles. So there's some things that you really don't want it to settle in, and people start to think, oh, maybe because it goes so wide, nobody knows anything. So only if I see like it's a lie that's really taking root. If you're going to be rude, be rude. Just do your thing. But when you're trying to tell a lie, and it looks like the lie is about to hold, then we have to say something. I don't know the shortcut. Let me ask him. Hi, where's the shortcut? What shortcut are you going to take? Well, son say go back in a Stony Hill and go around Guava Gap? Oh. Alright, make a follow you. It's a trip and train.
Next thing, do you think you'll constantly have to try to like step outside and be the man shadow? Because all the things I'm gonna like, especially when I still kind of shocked because I say, yo, Krystal, I see about the place and you just see my cows. I don't even know if they have time for love. I honestly never think so Krystal no like celebrate the little mushy. You just, you know like that woman that we just answer lip on the ground. Like, I think Krystal go bed and connect to like love song and get like them something. I feel like I just wake up in that morning and I say like, what can I do for the world? I like,
I
no,
do, but
I
say,
just feel like I'm a robot for me.
So Barry, that means you're pregnant when you heard I was pregnant?
No, I'm just like, what? Krystal has kissed. Krystal kissed. I said, Jesus Christ, Krystal. The innocent little Krystal. Krystal, when I saw her crown and, you know, gamins and, you know, I never know Krystal no more jacket. I never know. This decided to not be like public social media.
We didn't get to decide. So somebody saw us at Rebel Salute in 20.
Right, I think I had a picture of them in the sea.
No, it wasn't the Rebel Salute picture you saw, but the story that came out in about February.
Yeah.
Or January. I think Rebel Salute was January. So they saw us there.
Yeah.
And you know, we're a vibe like anybody.
Especially for the good part of the relationship.
You know? And you can tell. You know, never come buck him up in the crowd.
Yeah.
And I just started getting some calls from newspapers asking, you know, are you guys together? You know, we got some photos from Rebel Salute of you guys kissing. I'm about to publish it.
Yeah.
So let us know. I'm like, you're going to do what? But yeah, we're going to publish it because, you know, that's like, people are interested in that. Whatever. I've had a breakdown in my office. At the time. I was at work and I couldn't complete the day. Like I was just frost. Like that's the best word to use. Frost. I'm like, you guys are really about to put something on the front page of the paper with me kissing my man? Like, you know that really did that? And
good Krystal Tomlinson, Disney Channel Krystal Tomlinson.
Wow. And you know there's Disney Channel.
No, but I see in my mind, I saw a picture like, you know, hi, I'm Krystal Tomlinson. I'm watching Disney. I saw my picture in I do that something like, yeah.
You're really from my generation.
Yes.
You just like the Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Gosh.
So it was a panic attack. I'm not going to lie to you, I had a real panic attack.
Because before that you just pretty much like lay low, you know, like I just say basically this is just kind of throw you into one different part of things.
And then you thought to yourself, alright.
You might turn now with the man. So the man at top be alone.
Which part else we can go?
I'm saying black up stone, so but I just take it up the hill. I'm over see where that go up.
I'm follow back in, I come know where me I go.
Boy, oh boy. Suppose man carry everything up in a different parish.
Me have hope and prayer. We have Duttyberry here video in live. So we have him face.
Jesus Christ, so Krystal I put faith in the Jamaican people.
This is crazy though.
If we lost.
Wow. What kind of traffic this?
No, we need one helicopter. Need to link.
So the officer told him it jam up. Oh!
Lord, most righteous and eternal Father, will come before you. Dear Heavenly Father, will come before you once more, just asking you for, you know, guidance and protection. Carry us back to our respective places safely. In your name I pray, amen.
I bind up any pothole.
Yes.
What is trying to greet me up at the top of that hill, right? Amen.
Alright, so the day's still going once again with Krystal. Krystal, how we doing now?
School drop off for Akira.
Akira, how you doing? Yeah, alright? Yeah. No question. Is Krystal a good stepmom?
She's good if she's good. I'm a very anxious, stressful person.
Oh wow. You're very self-aware, wow.
Whenever I come to her like crying about school and stuff.
Yeah.
She's just always there.
Now what kind of stuff she about school, so?
Everything, like I give too much tests.
Yeah.
Everything.
Were you like that?
Everything.
Oh, you just take everything and try. You're like, oh my gosh, schoolwork, yay!
I was excited. I can't lie, I was excited.
Oh gosh. Krystal, what is Krystal's favorite Beenie Man song?
It's a hard one.
Crap, come here, like guitar for DJ, now come here so she can DJ.
Oh, wow, no.
Oh, so we can't, no, drop a little freestyle. Wow, yo, it can't be that bad.
Okay, go ahead.
It can't come to Krystal, I believe in you, Krystal, a little freestyle.
Thank you very much.
Give a little beat.
Alright, let me try.
Yo. Who's next? Yo.
It's up on the rhythm and we touch it on the street. Yeah. I don't see very we are far and I do it.
Yeah.
I make we see who we just about to meet.
Yeah.
But don't I have nothing left.
Man, pull up.
My glad I come out, come see this. Nah, like, I fear it's just going to sit me never there, so I'm going to just choke myself.
Can I get a forward for that? No, that wasn't actually, it wasn't bad.
I keep telling them, like,
It wasn't bad. Any day, no, Krystal, if you don't want to have a reality show,
oh my God.
you're gonna have the reunion and
y'all
something.
couldn't handle that
Maybe
reality
there,
show.
one be there for me, the person who asked the question on the reunion special.
Every show would start like this. Been up on the rhythm, been up on the rhythm.
And then see how we do the cheers.
And then see how goes up.
At least I sure say have one fan. Yeah, one person will believe in it.
No, that's him. Like, you just get up in the morning and he's walking past you and been up on the rhythm, been up on the street. I'm just gone off for something. Like, the house is very loud. So one of the things that we need for any home, you have to have space. Like, you have to have room to just make noise and nobody in the air except some tree or something because the house is loud. Very loud house. Laugh loud, talk loud, sing loud. It's very loud.
Always play music loud, watch TV
Watch
loud.
TV loud. Everything is just.
What are you in school now?
Doing psychology.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's interesting. So you start to study everything now, because literally as you learn, you start to apply it. Everything you learn, you go through the stage, you know, where every little thing you learn, you start to apply it to your regular life.
I'm going through the stage where I just cry sometimes.
Oh gosh.
Like I just sit down and I'm like, wow.
She's very emo.
And just
So you just have your moments and you just cry like you dedicate time and say, alright, at 10 o'clock, I feel like I just want to get
can
rid
I
of
tell
so.
you what she does?
What?
She picks movies that will make her cry. Like when she's in a crying mood, she says, I'm just
No!
gonna watch one of those movies.
No, serious something? You know, I've had something like this where sometimes I feel like I don't get angry enough. And then I say, why? I think I need to do things to like trigger me. It's like so I can't get angry, because I'm more angry.
What?
No, but actually, I never heard somebody about the crying thing, but like because I realize I don't get angry, so I always wonder, where does all of this aggression go? It must go someplace. And you just sit down and you just like cry.
She says, I'm going
Are you
to
like
my
that,
room
Krystal?
right now. To cry?
Like to have like where you say, alright then, I'm not vex now a long time. I just go vex today. Okay.
I don't like vex. I have migraine. I'm head hurt. And it's not nice. No. I feel my emotions very regularly though, you know, so I may not show it
Look, I'm gonna get
online.
fast. Hold on, I can't see it. Where can you see the picture? Oh yeah.
Oh, dear.
Oh. Everybody asks if you put contacts in his eye.
No.
Everybody's so shocked. What going?
I don't know.
You know the school?
They have no faith in our genes.
Huh?
That's her eyes.
Everybody say like, I don't want a contact lens man or something.
No, but her eyes change color.
Oh wow.
Sometimes it would be brown, sometimes it would be hazel, sometimes it would be grey. So
Mhm.
that's where the confusion comes from.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. I think all if you know she had and she lick off something off of the counter with valuable, but I think I could have really vexed her with looking at them here.
No, like when she does it and she look at you and go so. She laugh and go so.
She realized she have the power in her eye.
Yeah,
Then, oh, she started you. Oh, okay.
She knows it. She knows it.
The phone and just
She have a,
behind her.
yeah. When she's done with something and you haven't come to take it, like she finished with her bottle, she finished with her soother, she finished with your phone where she don't try and mash up.
Yeah.
She just take it and go so. And you must just know, say, okay, all right, Zia is done with that and she needs something else to do.
What we do after this now?
Well, so after she goes off to school, I have like a meeting with my best friend. So she's actually waiting for me to come.
Oh, you mean your best friend that body up? So okay, that's just that. Yeah. Okay, we'll jump out of the car now. You're gonna meet your bestie. Which one are your best friend? Best of them? Cause all of your best friend, you don't have no what list best friend.
I don't.
All of your best friend them accomplish, I do them thing, I launch out in a life. Like big up you. And big up your friend them, you circle them, yeah.
Good friend. You know them say like the five person
Closest, yeah.
They tell people about who you are, one, and you also become them in many ways.
You know, say I truth, I just learn something. I say I just have to get rid of some of my little, you know.
The what you call them now, the Amazon.
Me want them to stay loyal no more and keep me looking for them. Come here and see them say if you come from far, you don't know part and then you realize, say, wait, you know really I do nothing, you know.
like how much time you gonna say, what is it? WYD.
Oh yes.
How much time I gonna tell you say me there work? Like
Yeah,
how much
yeah,
time
yeah.
I have a conversation?
Yeah.
I mean I go work, I come from work. How much time I gonna do this?
Well, one thing Krystal said, like she said a long time ago, like don't make history because you have history with someone, make you feel like you need to be attached to that person. You let the person, you let them go. Right?
Why you couldn't tell me that, Krystal? I just learned that, you know, why you couldn't tell me that?
It's one of the things that I'm learning like too. Like when I learned it, I shared it. So I never knew it like 15 years ago.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll learn. Well, we're gonna meet up with your friend.
Yes.
She camera ready?
Well, I have to go find out, right? She's never camera ready. We're never camera ready unless we're a couple of more. You look furnished. Like you're practicing at the New York bar. You're like, well.
Alright, well, that's it. This is now, what time is it now? 7 o'clock?
Around about that time. I'm at 6 o'clock, you know, because of them time of year. Yeah, so
yeah, 6 o'clock. So
it's actually 6.
6 o'clock. So closing off this road with Dutty. Spent the day with Krystal. Krystal, how was it to have me around?
It was really great. You really stood up to the task of a workout. You tried.
Why did you say tried?
Really successful, but you made an attempt. And I think because you just start, that's worth something. And I like to give people grades for effort. It's not an A+, Mary.
No, listen, because of the first time, honestly, if you look on the footage, more than nearly nip her the line and like me nearly, you know, the vernica can be the duck. Like, me they try feet, but true, me say me don't really want, you know, people that say, oh, she can run and she have good form, me don't really want to overshadow you. So, me didn't look out for you.
Because if you overshadow me, you would make Shelly-Ann look bad because she says I look good
okay,
in my form.
Okay,
you can't diss
alright, so wait until you see my video now and then
It's
you see and both and
Olympian.
comment and say I have excellent form, so just wait for that.
Okay.
Okay, wait for that, Krystal.
We'll see.
So,
but it was a really good day and I enjoyed having you.
And what are you going to do tomorrow? Like a similar type of thing where you have this one bag of activities?
Except we don't have any TV interviews tomorrow. So I actually have a talk to give up at Campion.
Yeah.
And
okay,
yeah, that's pretty.
Come on. I see you try some little things so like you try for balancing everything. Cause all your friend, your long suffering friend are wait for how long. But she decides say, yo, she wanna see you. And yes, you work your way in.
It's been a while and she happened to be free from work at the same time I was supposed to be free from work.
Yeah.
So if it wasn't for that traffic, whatever you call it, up Manor Park, I'd have been here early.
And then later on now, you go look for
I'm gonna go home to my
mommy.
baby. And I'm gonna go home to my man.
Oh, okay.
And I'm gonna be a human, the human that you think
I'm
not.
No, Krystal, no.
Yes, I'm gonna go and be a human with Moses and Sia.
No, Krystal, you're innocent. You don't hug. You don't kiss. You're a saint. No. Honestly, I just think that you and Beenie Man are in the same room and then a bust of ear
like
push and then just like yes.
Get pregnant.
Then bam.
I go, I will.
Alright, so peace out and I'm waiting to think YouTubers don't see if I can just like us.
Oh, it was great to be on the TheDuttyBerryshow. I hope you enjoyed the day with me and
hold on, one more thing. Like people, I know this might be another time that I'm with a member of the People's National Party, but I'm not connected to no party. But honestly, don't connect to no party. I just like for their own people and get for fast span them day.
Yeah,
okay,
and we're fun.
Yeah,
so
okay.
So if the others are fun and interesting, let him know. So yeah, we nice. I don't know about it, but we nice.
Alright,
you know?
So then the YouTube close out thing now.
It was great to have you guys and I hope you enjoyed my day and all I'm saying is love and blessings. Peace!
Alright, yeah.
I wasn't supposed to hold it like
yeah, you kind of hold it, but
Y'all come you know old age now run you down, wine go down low. Position by your wind up inna this. Turn back way, I wind up inna this. Come by your I wind up inna them. Jim screeching, I wind up.